Haka Pundu Tarik Nela Aja Arpula Kajantia National Council Hapo Kajingalamu President Rangba Iba Sambormi Lingdo Kalahir Shamikalia Simen Dangskan East Jantia Hills District Halo Kate Kajingja Kablaja Arp South Tarik Nela Aja Arpulai Habai Kendu Berhe Kate Company Kaseng Kadawa Madror Bade Ban Beno Shisendan Nikitu Gibadan Kati Ban Pasho Habo Mikibat Bad Kaseng Kaladawa Ruba Kamta Mikitu Gibaklan Bahe Kibatimsi Bade Ban Be Kam No Shisendan Bad Amdesho Bani Iki Hapo Kani Katan Nakalian Jute Uhe Ka Company Ulapen Pawe Kitu Kibaklan Bahe Ka Company Ka Adep Ban Suspend Niki Ulakula Ru Hakamat Kaseng Bachimi Kasingjam Kapating E Kitu Badan Ketiban Pasho Polong Ru Ba Kia Kitu Ki Pajba Bamensa Ka Company Ka Saai Kajingira Ulapen Pauru Ba Omla Ban Mudra Satya Bakanja Da Komtu Ba Upan Ma Ru Halor Katu Kajingja Ka Bapin Sosi Shikade E Kamta Mikilong Kami Bapli Kaseng Gadawa Ru Ba Omde Tamashu Suspend Niki Hendai Day Ban Be Sunda Niki Napo Katni Katan
During the protest of the local people during public hearing of 24 August. As the police was pushing back the protesters as per the instruction of the administration officer and two of our employees used some unparliamentary word during that unaccepted unparliamentary word. Makala Cement Limited Corporation Management has taken a strong view of the above incident and has immediately suspended of the said employee. Talks and management once again apologized the people due to the behavior of our employees. We assure a large and the Meghalaya Cement Limited is committed to promote peace, harmony and conducive environment for the employee and nearby village associated with our company, and also assure you that no such untoward incident will happen in future. This is what we are planning to give.
They are blocking the gate. So if we look at the public hearing, it's just a one-side public hearing. The result will be different. Okay. Let's just not go it so far. Let's just handle it what we can in a very soft and smooth ways. And our demands is those two should be permanently removed from here. Not just a suspension, because suspension is just a temporary. It's not a permanent solution. That's out here means like feel like they are not threat. So in the interest of the public, number two, we want those people to be permanently removed from here. And we are appreciating the managing of this plant for taking a very fast action, a very good decision by suspension them. But just suspend, we are not happy with the suspension, we want permanently removed. Because by the word suspend, we know it's just temporary, just to calm down the situation, just to relax the public. But as we have seen, like they are using such a words which touch the sentiment of the public. So we as concerned NGOs from East Jantia Hills especially, we want our plan to remove them permanently. That is our demand from the managing committee of this council.
Te nakaliang kajongi ka Jantia National Council. Hadin ke bala je haka public hearing jong ka topsam ngi nakaliang kaseng ngi penpau nungkong ke jing snosi ke bakrau banyu hi ke to ke jing pendankam jong ki pulit da ke force ban persenga yo pajba ki batmu ban ban ke to ke hearing ban persya ta ke bakham pen snosi susu yang ngi kum kaseng hi kalong habang yo i leng ba ki video leng ba ki social media ba armut naki kiway na ki balong kum kita ki officer hapo kani ka plan kila pendon kam ya ki kenten ki ba penmong ya ka jing sngaw jong ki pai ba ka bala ru ban bu ka jing ma ya ki batrai ha kani ka plan kham tam bat kum juru ya ki nong song snong hi tangi na kaliang ka seng nang ta ka sngi la yo ban yikran badu presiden jong ka topsam u head jong ka topsam ka badan hani hapo tang sky ta ka jing ikran ka jongi batu kalong ka ke baslo tenat bantip ba marsen ja ka to ka jingja na kaliang ki highest authorities neta kita ki highest management committee jong ka ni ka plan kila suspend mardor ya kita ki armut tangi na kaliang kesang ka jing ikran barki ngila penpau bangi ikum kesang impriang tang kata ka jing suspend ni kwa ru ba na kaliang ka managing committee jong ka ni ka company bakin welcome permanently na nation bangkam no bakin numsha syu ya kita ki arngut bakin tray hapo kani ka topsam ko badan hapo thangskai le ni hapo East Jantia Hill district Tapi kalau nakaliang u presiden jong kene ka plan ru ulai assuran yang ikesen baong ba nakaliang ka jong u un sabha ya ka e ka bangila ekran po kene ka meeting syaki bor ki ba kham halon kenang bikin la ban shim ya ka e ka ban le ka ek badan kam bat ula kula ru ba un bikin savang hi makin savang kam hi permanently ya kene ki armut ta nakaliang ka jong u presiden ula airu kata ka jing kula rakhbat jong hi kinoi lam keseng ba kin sa yarap by the way ya kito ki pat ba ki bala mensau hakatoka sni jong katoka jingja bat ngila kenturu yaki bikin shna ya kata ka jingi dei ke ba bha bat kini ki nong shong ki badan khamtam shakine ki than ki shakjan kene ke semen plan namar kat kum ba pawa katoka sni ba kata ka jingi dei ya pung pat ba bat kene ka company ka kamlong ka ba bha tena kalian ka jongi ngila maham jur ki bagi dei ban ya tri rengkat pat pat ba ni ulai turu yang ni bah kajing sisa nak tu ka sengi nak kalian kejong kim poy perkhat bat kim kemen halar ketu kajing ja nak kalian kejong kiru kila penpau kajing skusi halar ketu kajing ja tengi hi nak kalian keseng long kajing doa kejong ni bade ban remove permanently ya kitu ki armut napok kene ka company dan nak kalian kejong ki kila ai ka assurance mungkin saya keren hakata ka top level jong kene ka semen plan ada nang takin sabha yang ni ka kaya ka rai ka bakate ka committee kan sa shim kin sa ajing tip yang ni ka sen